Wisconsin appears to be on the COVID-19 road to recovery. Public Health preparing to end mass testing and vaccine operations at the Alliant Energy Center by the end of the month. It has been using that site, of course, as a mass testing and vaccination site since May of last year, along with help from the National Guard and FEMA. Public health officials say they will be shifting those efforts to existing spaces.
And more good news on the COVID front. For the first time in more than a year, the percentage of positive tests in the state has fallen below 2%. For the first time in nearly a year, Dane County won't have a mask mandate in place starting tomorrow as a public health order with pandemic restrictions expires.
Well, for many, it'll be quite the adjustment, but some are hanging on to those masks a little bit longer. Madeline O'Neill live on State Street. And Maddie, what can we expect to see tomorrow? This should be quite the change.
Yeah, definitely. From people we talked to today, some are excited to get rid of the masks, while others say they plan to keep up the precaution past tomorrow. But no matter how you feel about masks now, doctors say we wouldn't be where we're at now without them. It's something we all had to get used to.
It's going to be an adjustment.
Now it might feel strange to go without.
I totally agree. It's going to feel like you're naked without it on.
For the first time in nearly 11 months, no order in Dane County will require masks indoors.
I definitely feel safer with a mask mandate. For me, I'm personally happy for the mask to be ending because I got vaccinated and such, but I'm more worried about the people around me, my grandparents that haven't gotten vaccinated, the old people in my life, the people that are vulnerable, so I'll keep mine on too.
You might want to keep a mask on you too, because spaces such as businesses can still require them.
It's great that we are at that point so far, but I still think it's better to be safe than sorry.
Teddy Wedgers on State Street only encourages mask wearing for customers, but workers will keep up the precaution.
Wearing masks is for others, and so I just want to show that we care, so we're going to keep wearing masks.
In general, doctors say if you're vaccinated, you can feel safe without a mask. But before vaccines, they were some of the best protection we had.
Masking and other infection control precautions like social distancing, they worked big time. Just look at it this way. We did not see a flu season this past winter.
Doctors say masks played their part, getting us to a more normal-looking summer.
I think we would have been in a much different place today if we did not heed the warnings and institute the masking order.
There are still plenty of places where masks will be required, including a few businesses we spoke to here on State Street, hospitals, as well as city buses.